Ever thought about whether the stuff you use at home could be bad for your health? It turns out, some everyday things might have hidden dangers, like chemicals or germs. In this video, we'll talk about 8 common household items that could be harmful if you're not careful. Even though we think our homes are safe, we might be exposing ourselves to things that can cause cancer, mess with our hormones, or make it hard to breathe. We want to share this info with you so you can stay safe. But first, if you like what you hear, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Now, let's start with something you might not expect. Scented candles. Scented candles are a common household item used for ambience and relaxation. However, many people are unaware of the potential health risks associated with burning them. The fragrance in scented candles is often created using synthetic chemicals, such as phthalates, which can be harmful when released into the air. Phthalates have been linked to respiratory issues, hormonal disruptions, and adverse effects on reproductive health. Additionally, some scented candles may emit volatile organic compounds like benzene and toluene, which can contribute to indoor air pollution and exacerbate respiratory conditions such as asthma. Phthalates can disrupt hormones and have adverse effects on brain development, especially in children. To minimize risks, opt for candles made from natural, non-toxic ingredients like soy or beeswax, and use them in well-ventilated areas. Number 2. Humidifiers. Humidifiers are commonly used to add moisture to indoor air, especially during dry winter months. However, if not properly maintained, humidifiers can become breeding grounds for bacteria, mold, and other microbes. The warm, moist environment inside a humidifier's water reservoir provides an ideal habitat for these microorganisms to thrive. When released into the air, these contaminants can worsen indoor air quality and trigger respiratory issues such as allergies and asthma. To prevent bacterial growth, it's essential to clean and disinfect humidifiers regularly according to the manufacturer's instructions. Using distilled or demineralized water can also help reduce mineral buildup and microbial contamination. Number 3. Thermal receipts. Thermal paper receipts are commonly used in retail and business transactions due to their convenience and cost-effectiveness. However, thermal paper contains chemicals like bisphenol A, BPA, and bisphenol S, BPS, which are used as developers in the printing process. These chemicals can be absorbed through the skin and have been linked to hormone disruption, reproductive issues, and adverse developmental effects. Handling thermal receipts, especially with hand lotion or moisturizers on the skin, can increase the absorption of these chemicals. To reduce exposure, opt for electronic receipts whenever possible, and avoid storing thermal paper receipts in wallets or pockets where they can come into direct contact with the skin. Number 4. Nonstick pans. Nonstick pans are popular kitchen tools known for their convenience and ease of use. However, the nonstick coating used in these pans, often made from polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, or perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, can release toxic fumes when heated to high temperatures. These fumes can pose health risks, including respiratory irritation and flu-like symptoms, and may be fatal to pet birds. Additionally, PFOA, a chemical used in the production of non-stick coatings, has been linked to various health issues, including cancer and developmental problems. To reduce risks, use non-stick pans at lower temperatures, avoid overheating or preheating them empty, and consider alternative cookware options such as stainless steel or cast iron. Number 5. Air fresheners. Air fresheners are commonly used to mask odors and create a pleasant indoor environment. However, many air fresheners contain synthetic fragrances and chemical additives that can release harmful VOCs into the air. These VOCs, including formaldehyde, benzene, and phthalates, can contribute to indoor air pollution and exacerbate respiratory issues such as asthma and allergies. Some air fresheners also contain allergens and irritants that can trigger allergic reactions and respiratory symptoms in sensitive individuals. To minimize risks, choose air fresheners labeled as fragrance-free or all-natural and opt for natural alternatives like essential oils or homemade air fresheners. Number 6. Plastics. Plastics are ubiquitous in modern society and are used in a wide range of products, from food and beverage containers to household appliances and electronics. However, many plastics contain additives such as phthalates, bisphenol A, BPA, and flame retardants, which can leach out of the plastic and into the environment or food and water stored in plastic containers. These chemicals have been linked to hormone disruption, reproductive issues, cancer, and developmental problems in humans and animals. To reduce exposure to harmful chemicals in plastics, choose products labeled as BPA-free or phthalate-free, avoid microwaving or heating food in plastic containers, and opt for safer alternatives like glass or stainless steel whenever possible. Additionally, recycling plastics and reducing single-use plastic consumption can help minimize environmental pollution and protect human health. Number 7. Antibacterial soaps. Antibacterial soaps contain chemical additives like triclosan and triclocarbon, which are designed to kill bacteria and prevent the spread of infections. However, there is growing concern about the potential health and environmental risks associated with these additives. Triclosan and triclocarbon have been linked to hormone disruption, antibiotic resistance, and adverse effects on aquatic ecosystems. In 2016, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, banned the use of triclosan and several other antibacterial additives in consumer soaps due to a lack of evidence demonstrating their safety and effectiveness. Instead of using antibacterial soaps, experts recommend washing hands with regular soap and water for at least 20 seconds to effectively remove germs and reduce the risk of infection. Number 8. Dry cleaned clothes. Dry cleaning is a convenient method for cleaning delicate fabrics and removing stubborn stains. However, the chemicals used in the dry cleaning process, such as perchloroethylene, PERC, can pose health risks to both customers and dry cleaning workers. PERC is classified as a probable human carcinogen and has been linked to various health issues, including liver and kidney damage, neurological disorders, and reproductive problems. Additionally, the plastic bags used to cover dry cleaned clothes can trap residual chemicals, increasing the risk of exposure. To minimize risks, choose dry cleaners that use environmentally friendly or alternative cleaning methods, and air out dry cleaned clothes before wearing them. Thanks for taking the time to explore the hidden hazards that might be lurking in your home with us. Your safety is our top priority, and we hope this information empowers you to make informed decisions about the products you use every day. If you found this video eye-opening and valuable, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Your support drives us to continue spreading awareness and knowledge. Remember, a little awareness goes a long way in safeguarding your well-being. Stay engaged, stay curious, and together, let's create healthier homes and happier lives. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.